If you cannot see incoming calls on a Nothing phone 4a or 4a Pro, if they don't want to display when someone calls you, then here's what you can do. So first of all, what you can do is you can check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. It might be enabled accidentally, maybe you forgot about it, but generally speaking, if the DND mode is activated, then of course, as a result, you might not be able to see incoming calls. This is the purpose of DND mode, to not interrupt you with anything, including incoming calls. So of course, you want to check if it is enabled. If it is, just turn it off and then check if that helps. Another thing that you can do, if that didn't help, you can just simply restart or reboot your phone. Simply reboot your phone, and trust me, there are cases where a simple restart can do the trick and fix these kinds of issues. But if restarting didn't help, or if you did restart before and you are certain that it won't help, then of course we can proceed further. So we're gonna go to settings. In here we're gonna proceed to apps, and then here in apps we should be able to go to the list of all apps. We're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you want to show system apps. Next, we're gonna use the search option that we have right next to these three dots, and we need to search for phone. We're gonna type phone in here. We're gonna choose the main phone app, and you want to, first of all, you want to force stop it. You want to go to notifications. You want to make sure that notifications are enabled, although I don't think we can turn them off. You can also make sure that full screen notifications are allowed. You can also go to unseen notifications, and there's also the feedback option, which is the only thing that we can toggle. But just in case, of course, we can check out if everything is enabled in here. You can also go to permissions, and you want to make sure that all of these permissions are granted for the phone app. If something is not allowed to be used by the app, you want to change that. You want to tap on the location, and then you can change that. Location at nearby devices does not have to be allowed. Next, we can go to storage and cache, and then here we can clear the storage. There we go. Now, after that, we're gonna go back to the list of apps, and in here we can go to the phone and messaging storage. Now in here, and from now on, you just want to go to storage and cache, and you want to clear storage if you can. If not, just clear cache. And we're gonna do this for every app that we're gonna go to. So after that, we're gonna go to phone calls, choose storage and cache, and do as I said. So just clear the storage or clear cache. And then we're gonna go to phone services, storage and cache, and once again clear the storage or clear cache. If you clear the storage, you are going to clear cache as well, so you don't have to do both. You just do one or the other. Now, and besides that, we're gonna go to we're gonna type calls. Okay, so there are no additional calling apps or anything like that. So that should be pretty much all. So a couple of apps that we need to clear. Once we are done with that, you want to open the phone app. And now you can check if it works, and hopefully now it does. You can also restart your phone one more time after clearing all of these apps, just in case. And just make sure that you open the phone app if you reopen your phone once you turn it back on, or once it restarts, just in case, and then see if it helps. And I hope it does. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.